Hello everyone, this is Zubair Ahmed Hashimi from MTA, Master Technology Academy. You're most welcome for today's session. And let's start, and our journey will start for today in history of computer. And let's start. When a better computer has a nice history, and you don't want to talk about that much, but in here, it is possible to have somehow to mention about the previous of this one. Where from where computers are coming and where the ideas are generated, it is belongs to the past, and it was a long journey while it started. And for the first time, Egypt or uh, these kind of Chinese countries are using for computing for calculation. They're using their main fingers, and they're using stones or somehow bones for their daily basis calculation. And after that, they made a specific tools which is called abacus, and that was the first tools. Let me bring that one, and after that I'm gonna continue this one. Yeah, there with this class, you're used, as I mentioned before about that, the first device which is made it was abacus, and here can you see this? This was the primary or the first device they made it for calculation, specific for especially for daily basis. But this was a primary device which was invented. I mean, whenever the computer base is belongs to the calculation, and nowadays we are using the computer in our different part of our life, specifically for calculation, for saving the data, for having fans on, etc. And here, as I mentioned here about that, there was the first generation of computer was big, and they become after that IBM changed this one for the first time. They announced or they produced IBM-PC or personal computers. After that, the mobile devices were arrived, or laptops, and nowadays we have tablets or cell phones are available in our daily basis. But in here, let's talk about types of computer. Whenever computers are have different part of we divided in different part of it, but in here we're going to talk about digital computer, analog computers, as well as the combination of digital and analog are called hybrid computer as well. As don't forget this one. We are divided in a different part of it. Let's talk about it alphabet. This is the first one is a digital computer with which is you have here supercomputer, the most largest computer in the world. The super speed or the computer in the world is called supercomputer, and it is high cost machines which is available in all over the world, specifically in the countries who has good economic or financial. They have good economic, and they can use it easily. And the second type is mainframe computer. These computers all are all available, and specifically you can use it in a bank, in a large companies. These are all available, and we can use it. And as well as don't forget in the mini computers, these are all available in our daily basis, such as a laptop or desktops, which is this kind of computer is usable and specifically for personal purpose, and as well as in an organization base, we can use it easily. And don't forget the microcomputers, which is nowadays available, a kind of portable laptop, which we can use it as a tablet and as well as a laptop. We can call it all in one. These are all touch screens, and they have a nice camera, they have a space, and we can use it in our daily basis, and they are slim and as well as they are portable. And the next one is analog, and this kind of computers are this kind of computers are specifically used in a military session, and specifically we can call it in a hospital as well as it is available. And hybrid is the combination of these two, analog and digital computer, which is available in a hospital and as well as military session. Thank you very much for today's journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.